99% of people's problems would be fixed if they could just manage to be consistent. Why is it that most people can't be consistent if that's likely the biggest problem that they're having in their life? I struggled with being consistent for, basically the entirety of the first half of my 20s. But today, I never miss posts on social media. I'm in the gym every morning. I know I don't look jacked, but sometimes I just kind of go through the motions. But I'm freaking there. I'm there every morning. And I never miss on anything. And this has allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job and become a somewhat successful real estate agent making $300,000 to $400,000 a year. And in this video, I'm gonna share one simple tip that will ensure that you are going to be consistent in your personal life and your business. I'm that agent Kelly. I did 57 deals in real estate my first year in the industry, and now I help other agents attract clients via social media and kind of help fix their life. If you're into that, subscribe, like this video. So you can't lose weight, you can't grow any muscle, you can't do the things that actually move the needle forward in your business because you can't do the simple things for a long enough time frame consistently enough to actually see results. And I didn't build a brand and become a authoritative figure in my space from doing 100 videos. It took thousands. It took thousands of videos. And within those thousands of videos, the large majority of them sucked balls. However, the compounding effects from posting a couple videos every single day over the last 3 years, whether they were good or bad videos, has built a brand that is now leverageable. It's built me a vehicle where I can recruit agents, I can fill rooms for events, I can sell real estate without ever having to actually reach out to anyone. And that's all because of a few videos a day over a long period of time. So I'm telling you, everything that you're looking for from this video is on the other side of you just being consistent in your life. And this is the reason why you struggle with being consistent. It's because of something called the broken windows theory. And in my opinion, this is not a theory, this is actually fact. This is what happens. So the broken windows theory states, if a window in a building is broken and is left unrepaired, all the rest of the windows will soon be broken. So let me describe this to you using another scenario so you can fully digest this and understand it, right? So you get a new car, you keep it in pristine condition. One day, a rock hits your windshield as you're driving on the freeway, and then slowly over time, you get one of those huge cracks across your windshield. Now, all of a sudden, you're not washing the outside of your car, you're keeping garbage on the inside, and then before you know it, your car is a piece of shit again. And this happens to me. Every time I get a new car, within 2 years, I'm not washing it again because something has happened to the outside of it and I just don't care anymore. Here's another one. You've been going to the gym consistently for, let's say, 2 months. You're making gains, people are noticing. You go out and you get smashed one weekend with your friends. That hangover causes you to, maybe you're only hungover a day, maybe you're hungover for 2 days, whatever the case may be, you missed the gym 3 days in a row. Now, all of a sudden, you're not going as consistently as you were, right? Now, instead of going, 6 out of 7 days a week, maybe you're going 4 out of 7 days a week. Then you're going 3 out of 7 days a week. And suddenly it's been 2 weeks and you haven't been to the gym at all. By getting hammered, you essentially broke a window, and now you're just gonna start smashing all the other windows in the building because, hey, that one's already broken. I truly believe that consistency, and even life, really isn't that difficult. We make things difficult by doing stupid shit that we already know we shouldn't be doing. Success is a subtractive process. Everyone always asks, what do I need to do to make X amount of money? But nobody ever asks, what am I already doing that's impeding me from making X amount of money? If you remove all of the bullshit from your life, you are already a successful person. You're already a top performing realtor. You're already a bodybuilder. All of the dumb shit that you do on a day-to-day basis is what's keeping you from actually being those things. So how do you be more consistent now knowing this information? I'm gonna give you something actionable right now. Ask yourself this: what stupid things am I doing that I would be instantaneously better if I just stopped doing them? And then stop doing those things. I'll give you an example. For me, those things were drinking, vaping, smoking, blazing, drugs. And once I removed all of those things, being consistent was easy because what else am I gonna do with my time other than do the things that are going to make me better so I can live a better life? When you remove all of the BS, There's nothing left but stuff that isn't BS. You can join the viral letter using the link down in the description. Please subscribe, please like. See you on the next one. I'm that Agent Kelly. I'm making moves to move you. Peace.